Welcome to another video on our EmbeddedCraft channel. In this video tutorial, we will show installing Docker containers on Linux. After that we will run container and examine the container. So, relax and watch this video till the end. Container word is coming from shipping industry. Materials are shipped from one place to another place. One country to another country. If we ship material in different packaging, different sizes, it will be difficult to handle packages of different sizes, etc. Shipping industries have handled this situation in a smart way. They invent containers. Container is nothing but a big box, which includes packages, which we want to ship. The big thing is that all containers in the world are of the same size, shape, etc. Content of the container may be different. Containers are handled in the same way at the docking site. Line between high-level embedded software and enterprise software is becoming thin. Over-the-air is becoming a necessary requirement for embedded software as well. Example systems: digital cockpit in automotive, high-performance computing in medical and automotive industry. We need a way to pack application with all dependencies together. Another reason is we need to go to microservice model, where each service can be independently enabled or disabled. Different Linux applications have different libraries and dependencies. Distributing Linux apps among different stakeholders is big headache. It is easy to put applications and all required libraries or dependencies in the container and ship containers. Linux flavor can change, but container will able to run, because they have all required dependencies already. These are the important Linux container runtimes. Among them Docker is very popular. LXC container feature is included in the Linux kernel. Incus is the container and virtual machine manager. Podman comes where we need security at priority. This seamless container, which has all the command line interface similar to Docker's. In this video we will explore Docker container via CLI interface.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video.